Thumb in the mouth.
No!
Grab it.
Okay.
You can pick it up by the back too, the tail. There you go.
Ah! No! No! Oh, come on, bruh! Come on!
There you go.
Ow!
Don't grab its back. That's why you get spiked with those things.
Yeah, you grab it by the stomach or something.
Ugh.
Open sesame. Yo, look how fat that is.
Oh!
Oh my
It sure
gosh.
sounds like
Ah!
Look
I'm
at that.
shaking! I'm shaking!
That's huge. That is awesome. Let me take a picture. All right, throw it back.
Oh my gosh!
Throw it.
Ah!
Hurry.
Bye-bye! Ah!
Oh, God.